Hello everyone, welcome back to SpeedMinds. It's me, Bhavika, back here on another video about the basics of Zoom. I know a lot about the Zoom app because I use it for my online classes. And here I have my own account. If you don't have your own account, your screen won't be like this. It will be only like join a meeting and all. The half part I'm gonna tell you, it will only work in some computers because if you use Chromebook, your video filters and video backgrounds won't be applied. It's not my fault, sorry. But Chromebooks are just not made for video backgrounds and filter in Zoom. But if you have a normal laptop, then yeah, it all will work. For an example, I wanna join, share, see new meeting schedule. It's my because I have an account. I told you before. Yeah, I can chat by adding some numbers, but I've never added any friends because they don't agree. It's okay, but still, you have my own personal meeting ID. You can also create it super easy to create. So I'll first tell you how to schedule. So just click on schedule. It's like my name here and the day whatever you want, Thursday, and the time. If you have an account, free account, then it will only be till a half hour. Only till a half hour. Okay, and just do it reoccurring meeting if you want to meet daily and don't wanna. It will repeat every day. Okay, and just as security, you want to keep the passcode. Anything like I want to keep my passcode. Sorry for that. Okay, not that. Let's keep my password SpeedMinds. Okay, and I'll just like it will be in Google Calendar and anything else I want it. We want a waiting room or not? No, I don't want a waiting room. I want my friends to just come in the meeting. So just save, and it will just tell you like sign into your Google account. Mine is signed in, but still, and just allow it. It always happens because I'm first time scheduling. I have an experience, but for this example, I'm just telling you how to schedule on laptop because my previous meetings was just scheduled in my phones. That's why. So now let's tell if you're in a meeting and what you want to do some fun. So I'm just gonna start this meeting. Like, okay, if you are the host, you will directly come in. Others will be in the waiting room, but I have enabled the waiting room option. That's why. Now I can just join with computer audio. Sorry for the video off. Let me on it up. So yeah, here's my video and my background back there. So first of all, my favorite video backgrounds because there's a construction at our house. So I don't want that ugly old backgrounds to see in the classes. So I want some backgrounds, nice backgrounds. So I just go there. As I told in the starting of the video, if you are using a Chromebook, it won't work. Not my fault. So you have just choose video filters or choose virtual background. Anyone or video settings only. Click one and this will pop up. Only if you're on a normal laptop. If you're on Chromebook, no, it won't work. Because I have tested that, so it doesn't work in Chromebooks. If you want your video to be very long, it's like all the I mean, and here you can chat, and that's all the things. But background and filters, that's the main. It always shows up like this is some. These are the defaults. When you first time click on one for an background, it will be like okay, wait for some time. We need to download it. But if you use it after once, it will just come. These three are the basics, and this is the one I have added by downloading it. And I have taken this image from Printerset. It's super easy to use and you can use it for free. Just create an account and take images as whatever you want. It's the best app. So it's like just a website. So the link to go to Printerset will be given in the description. Okay. So here you have to just click on add plus button and add image. Super easy. Everyone knows it mostly. You know anything like okay I want this, I liked it. It's so cute, pink blue background. Whenever you tell it your CPU bad, which will become a little bit low to maintain everything. That's just a thing. If you're a kid like me, just ignore that. Still, it's a beautiful background and video filters. Like, okay, like COVID ones, I have a mask on my face. Or I'm a unicorn. So, only one video filter you can choose it, but warning, don't do it on your classes. If you're schooled by teachers for this, I'm not responsible. So, and here's some rabbit ones and any video filters you want, you can apply. It's so fun to use. And like, okay, I have a cute daisy on my head. It's so cute. You can apply anything. You can do it when you are with your friends. You know, it's fun when you're with your friends. That's why. In class, I told you, like that only. And it won't only work on your videos, like almost not on your videos. It doesn't work on only your face and all. It can also work like here you have your borders. It can do like smileys, or if you're watching movie with Zoom with your friends, sharing screen, you can make a video as a creator mode. It's so fun. Okay, and here are your recordings and everything. Here, if you want, if you are the host, you're recording a meeting. Let me tell, if you are gonna create a meeting, recording a meeting, you are the host. For that, you have to create an account. For videos and all background filters, you don't have to create an account for Zoom. Okay, account is paid or free. The thing is same. For now let's go to like here's some mic settings, whatever you want, speakers, high default, everything. If you want, you can do it full screen and see everything. Here I've shorted, that's why. Like record on computer, record this computer, so it's now recording. Okay. So and here it's very like participants. Now this will pop up whoever on this meeting. It will tell you stop recording, pause recording, that all chat. You can chat with your friends and all. You know, it's easy to use Zoom. Here now I'm full screen, sorry for the camera effects, but can't do anything because I'm using rough cameras these days. It's a personal issue, can't tell you a lot. Here's your security. I never use security means it's okay. Like what you want. If you want your person to unmute themselves by them and rename themselves, chat with others, that's your. And if I don't want my participants, schools usually use that don't allow children to chat, only host, they can only chat by host. And yeah, if you want your friends, if you're friends with your friends, then you can just allow that share screen and all. If you want, you can lock your meeting, enable waiting room, because when I scheduled this there was an option that I allowed for meeting room, but this time I didn't tell that there will be a meeting room. Participants will directly come in the meeting like that. And recreations are super easy, like okay, I want to clap, okay, thumbs up. You know, thumbs up is the basics. Like okay, heart, like someone tells a joke, wow, what a funny joke, I'm tired, I'm getting tears by laughing. I'm like, okay, that's a weird thing. And ta-da. So these are some basics. Now the main thing, how to record. So you have two meetings. If you are end, if you are the host, then only. Otherwise, the host ends, you get out of the meeting directly. And here, this meeting is only of an half hour, as I told, because I'm using the free account. I don't use paid account for Zoom. That's fine. So just end for all, click and just end it. Then this is the converting meeting, and you can, as I told you, if you have a free account or paid account, that will happen. Now if you want whatever you want, okay, like okay, I want to save it on desktop, Google Drive, whatever I want, I can save it in. I'll just save it in videos, like okay, done, I saved in videos. Okay, just like it will pop and just say like zoom us. Okay, now here's our recording. It will show up to you. Look, here your whole recording is there. That's in the end. I just stopped that. Now, now you see, and if you want, you can cut edit them with Clipchamp that I use for my videos cut editing. Previously, I used Screencastify, but now I use Clipchamp. It's my decisions. Well, leave it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and my second channel, Bhavika's Creative World. Link to subscribe will be given in the descriptions. And happy upcoming Diwali! So I'm totally excited for the Diwali. Let's see what will happen this Diwali. Enjoy the Diwali these days, and I'm uploading a lots of Diwali crafts on my second channel. So don't forget to view them. Bye.